Welcome everyone. Today, we will learn how to take a Docker container, a small package of software, and put it live on Microsoft Azure, a cloud platform. We will go step by step. By the end, you will understand the full journey from code to cloud. Docker is like a lunchbox for your software. It ensures your app and everything it needs runs the same way on any computer, whether a laptop or a cloud server. Docker keeps everything consistent and portable, saving developers time and removing confusion. Azure is Microsoft's cloud platform. Instead of buying your own physical servers, you rent space on their large, powerful computers worldwide. Your application stays online 24/7, and you only pay for the time you use the resources. This is the power of the cloud. Before deployment, you need 3 free tools. First, Docker Desktop to build your container. Second, a free Azure account. Third, Azure CLI, a command line tool, acts as a remote control for the cloud. Step 1 is building a Docker image, which is a snapshot of your app. You open your terminal, go to your app folder, and run docker build-tmyapp. This command reads your Docker file and packages your ready-to-run application. Step 2 is pushing your image to the Azure Container Registry, or ACR, a private cloud storage space. You log into Azure, then tag your image with the ACR address. Finally, use Docker Push to upload your image to Azure servers. Step 3 is deploying the container to make your app live on the internet using the Azure Container Instances service. The Azure Container Create command includes details like your resource group, container name, image, and opens port 80 for web traffic. You are live. After deployment, you monitor your app. The Azure Portal dashboard shows your app status. You can view logs in real time or enable automatic health checks, which restart your container if it crashes. You can also easily scale up if traffic increases. To summarize the journey, build the image, log into ACR, tag and push the image, deploy the container, and finally, monitor the app. By mastering these 5 steps, you can successfully move your code to a live application on the cloud. Well done.